This is a backpack. No, really, it's a backpack. Don't believe me? Watch this. Meet the WANDRD VEER 18L packable backpack. Let's check it out. The exterior of the backpack is made out of this waterproof material. Even the zippers have this waterproof seam so that it keeps your gear and all your items inside the bag dry. On the front of the bag are these D-clips so that you can attach whatever accessories you want. So whether it's a multi-tool, maybe some keys, or even some shoes when you're traveling. Also in the front of the backpack is a small compartment where you can store small items. Just open it right over here. So here you can store small items that you want quick access to, like SD cards, batteries, small documents, and stuff like that. On the side of the backpack is a pocket where you can store other items like a water flask or even a small tripod. On the other side of the backpack is a large access store where you can store your camera gear. So here is the camera cube where you can store your camera, and over here is a large opening to store items like sweaters, snacks, and other things like that. On top of the backpack is another small compartment where you can store additional items. And to access that, you just gotta open up the zip behind the bag. And here you can put things like sunglasses, keys, even sensitive items like a passport or wallet, because the zipper is actually behind the bag. That way it prevents thieves from thieving. Below the top compartment is another zipper where you have access to the inflatable spine, as well as an opening to store other items like clothes, drones, and whatever item you want. And as for the back of the backpack are the camera straps, which have this mesh-like material, which is really good and handy, especially if you're traveling through tropical locations like through jungles or even cities on hot summer days. Also on the straps are these adjustable chest straps so that you can secure your backpack even more so as you're exploring. Okay, and now on to my favorite part, and that's packing the backpack into itself. Let me show you how. Okay, so the first thing we do is we take out the inflatable spine of the backpack. So to do that, all you have to do is unzip the zipper below the top compartment, reach in and grab the inflatable spine right over there. And then you twist the nozzle, and I just kind of flattened out to push out all the air. Next, open up the large access door and pull out the camera cube. There we go. And just like the inflatable spine, just turn the nozzle and push out all the air. And so the last thing you have to do is unzip the top compartment and simply pack the backpack into this compartment like so. And then of course, just put your camera cube and inflatable spine into the pouch as well. And then once everything's in there, just simply zip and close it up. And there you go. That's a backpack inside. To assemble the backpack, simply do the opposite. Unzip and take out the backpack and inflatable items out of the bag, inflate the spine and camera cube, place the spine through the top part of the backpack, and insert the camera cube into the flexible mesh pocket through the side access door. And boom, you got a backpack. So who do I think this backpack is for? Well, I think this backpack can be good for anybody, but especially for those of you that like to travel minimally. It's definitely not meant to carry a ton of gear, but if you're the type of person that only shoots with one camera and one lens, maybe a mic, maybe a one drone, then this bag is for you. And the fact that you can pack this bag into itself makes it an ideal secondary backpack. Whenever I travel, I always bring a packable duffel bag because I always come back with way more things than when I first started. And now that I have a packable backpack, that just opens up way more options for when I travel. Pretty cool, the WANDRD VEER. Well, if you guys are interested in checking out this backpack, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. WANDRD recently launched a Kickstarter campaign, so if you want to grab yourself this backpack, then make sure to click the link below. Well, thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.